The opportunity to work with the superstar, with our national artist, is already a blessing. And it is an opportunity that I already knew na hindi ko po palalagpasin. Being with her on set was a masterclass for me and was a dream I never thought I would achieve this early in my career. Kaya po, yung makasama si Miss Nora, that's already enough. Ako po bilang isang aktor, and the love that I have for my craft, and the respect that I have for myself and the industry, billing is not really, it's a bonus. Bonus na lang po yun eh. It is a recognition as to how people see and respect the way I do my work. Pero dito po sa pelikulang ito na Mananambal, napakatagal na panahon ko pong hinintay ito na maipalabas dahil pinaghirapan po namin lahat ito. At marami pong pinagdaanan ng pelikulang ito. At yung maipalabas po ito at makita, lalo po na ito po ang pagbabalik pelikula ni Miss Nora Onon, is all that matters.